Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, weigh-in Wednesday. Let me tell ya, I keep going up, up. So I'm up again, and I cannot get motivated, you all. I cannot. So I keep trying, I keep moving forward, and I keep messing up. So I just really have to get this going. I really have to be able to get this done, right? So we are going to start again. We are going to pick ourselves up, brush ourselves off, and we are going to try again. So I have to work today. I'm starting all those long hours. So I just wanted to hop on because I've not been on all week. I didn't even come back on Sunday. So Sunday went really good. We had the birthday dinners. I will put some shots in at the end so you can see everybody. And there's a one little video for from my nieces and nephews that they said hello. Anyway, so I am just really just trying to get it together. I haven't been feeling all that great, so I came home on Sunday night sick from the restaurant, and then all day Monday I did not do anything. Yesterday I still felt bad. This morning I woke up and this ear is kind of hurting a little bit today. So I have not felt great. So sorry that I haven't had any videos going, but I promise you I will be having them come out more this week. I have gone back to, I keep telling you, I keep going back to the basics. This is my problem. Like, I cannot stop eating junk. Like, I was doing so good with the healthy foods. Yesterday, I did have an orange and one of those little pieces of cheese that comes in like the little wax thing. I forgot what the name of it is, but something bell. Cowbell, something like that. So I did have that for my snack at work, and then I came home. I had a taco salad, which I did a little video on. I did ground chicken instead of regular meat, so I did have that. And here's my taco salad. This is from Monday? Yeah, or was it yesterday? Tuesday. What did I have yesterday? I had the taco salad yesterday. Oh, I had breakfast on Monday. I tried to start over. So I have two videos. I have one from breakfast on Monday, and then I have yesterday's taco salad. So here is yesterday's lunch that I had. Okay, so I had the taco salad for lunch. Then last night for dinner, I met my cousin and we went to 54th Street. Haven't seen her in a while. I had a burger and fries. I ate some of the fries. I had the burger. I took the bun off of the burger. So that wasn't so bad either, you know. And then I came home, and that was pretty much it. That was what my day consists of as far as food goes yesterday. I did good without having a lot of junk. Nope, I lied. I had a bag of potato chips at work with water. Yep. So, is it gonna kill me? No, because I didn't really eat that much yesterday. So, it is what it is. So basically I'm just struggling. I was so on track. Now I'm like that little tiff that I went through, you know, like seriously, that was hard for me. That whole, like, he's married, he's this, he's that, like that was so hard for me. And then I don't know, there's just like so many relationship issues and so many this and so many that you can go through. And again, if you go to food like I do, it's just the junk eating. It's not even a massive amount of food. It's just junk. It's the salt, it's the sugar, it's the chips, the ice cream, it's things like that. That is just like so unhealthy for you, and your body takes so much longer to process all of those things, to where when you're eating healthier and you're eating fruits, and you're eating vegetables, and you're eating meat, and you're eating more clean, your body doesn't take as long to break those things down as what it does to break down chemicals that it doesn't know. So that's what I have to keep thinking about every time I go to put a piece of anything in my mouth. Cake, candy, ice cream, all of those things have so many other things than just regular dairy. You know, years ago, ice cream was made out of what? Milk, cream, that type of thing. Now there's like all of these chemicals that are in our foods. So if I can get my brain to say, whoa, you need to stop because that's not good for you, that's not gonna make or break you, you know, go grab that apple and that PB2. I could do that. I could grab an apple and PB2. I'd be perfectly fine with that because it kind of makes it taste like a caramel apple. Go grab those grapes, grab that watermelon, you know, when I need that sweet. So those are the things that I have to get back to, and I have to start working towards getting. And you know, it's also the prep time. It's so much easier to go grab a bag of chips off the shelf than to try to figure out what I'm going to grab at work, you know? So that's the other thing, is I have to be more prepared. And being more prepared means I need more prep time. And being, you know, my house is a mess right now. So I still have to, I need to clean. There's so many things that I need to do. So, I just keep trying to take each day as it comes, everybody. Each day as it comes. It's just really been a difficult month. I'm glad September is on its way in, and I am thinking positive. I am thinking, I don't know if anybody is on my Facebook or not, but I posted a positive post yesterday that I was like, oh my God, this is like so true. It says that you need to think you're being blessed. You need to talk about being blessed. You need to feel like you are being blessed. And guess what? You will be blessed. So that is exactly where I'm at, and I need to keep remembering that, and I need to keep leaning towards the positive instead of the negative. So the happier I am and the more satisfied I am, my weight starts dropping, right? So I just really need to focus on all of that, right? Positive, positive, positive. And then that way you start becoming lighter, and like, I just need to stop worrying so much. It is 8:30. I gotta get my shoes on. I have to head out the door. I just wanted to say hello. And again, stick around. These are the birthday clips. This is our August birthdays. You will see my family, my nieces, my nephews. I believe I have a shot of my mom. And my sisters there's a picture of the three of us. I'm in the middle, and my little sister is to the right, and then, well, they're both younger than me. They're both younger than me. So, it was really good. There was only one niece who was not there. And of course, my two boys, they're never there. So, but other than that, they were all there for the birthdays. So we already have our September birthday date planned for September the 15th. We also have a 1-year-old birthday party on September the 14th. So September will be a fun month with lots of family gathering. My cousin that I just saw, she is actually my cousin on my mom's dad's side. So I have not seen any of those cousins like in a really, really long time. So that was like super good to be able to see her. All right, everybody. Susie, if you're watching, mwah, it was so good to see you. And I also want to give a shout out to my cousin Melanie, because thank you so much, Melanie. I love you. She brought me the most beautiful centerpiece that she had made, and I will take a picture and I will put it in right here. That way you guys can see that too. So it was a great time, great weekend. I always love when my mom and cousin come to stay with me. So I will see everybody hopefully tomorrow. I can get another short little clip in, and you know what? Watch for my shorts, because I am going to be doing them when I want to eat something and I am grabbing stuff that's good or bad. I'm going to show it, because that way it keeps me accountable, and I need you all to tell me no, no, no. So, all right, guys, take care. Mwah. Bye. Have a great day.
Howdy. What's up, YouTube?
Hey. So this is Stella. Happy birthday, Stella. She's got a special hat. That's Uncle Mitch.
Knocked my
That's
hat
Aaron.
What are we doing? Is it a video?
You're in
or a
video.
picture? Oh.
Hi.